That's what babies do. They're wiggle monsters.
Why is she making that noise?
Because babies don't really know how to talk, so that's kind of how they talk. Do you want to give her a kiss on the cheek? Say it's okay, baby.
Okay.
You think she's hungry?
Yeah, can I have some milky?
Okay, I'll give her some milky.